Average 20 triple-digit days for the summer season. Of course, some of them can happen a little bit before it's technically summer. Some of them can happen into September as well. We even had a triple-digit day or two into October. All right, so let's take you back to the last 5 years. Last year, or this year, we have 22 of them so far. We're going to add to that number. That's above normal. We had 47 of them last year. But then, Teresa, this is exactly what you're talking about. 2021, we only had 8 of them. 2022, we had 9. And 2019, we only had 14. So in the last 5 years, we've only had 2, this summer and last summer. Bet a lot of you wouldn't have said that, but there's the receipts. Then let's go back even farther. 2018, we had 23. 2017, 16, 15, and 14, all below 20. That's 3 summers in the last 10 that have had more than 20 triple-digit days. If you've just been complaining about how it's incredibly hot every single summer here in North Texas and how it's the worst ever, well, it might be a little bit of recency bias because, I mean, of the last 10 summers, most of them have not been that bad. Last year was pretty bad. This year we've obviously had the 22 days, and we were just, 3 days above normal in 2018. We were kind of due for a summer like last summer, and we backed it up with this summer, unfortunately, but there's the receipts for you. We do have an excessive heat warning for tomorrow for all of North Texas. That means those temps and heat index values could be anywhere between 105 to 112. There's a heat advisory outside of that. That fire danger will continue to stay elevated. We saw that fire off of I-45 earlier today. I just encourage everyone to stay vigilant over the next week or so. This fire danger is not going to change. Things continue to be dry. It's hot. Any grass fires can spread very, very quickly. Be extremely careful with flames and open flames and sparks, welding. If you're doing any of that on any grassy areas, just please use caution for the foreseeable future until we get some rain back in North Texas. Fort Worth, it's 94 at the moment with clear skies, and it's 90 in Dallas right now. And as we expand the view, we can see that high pressure heat dome is going to move our way over the next couple days. That's why our temperatures are going up. That's why I have near record heat, if not record heat, the next couple of days. But some good news for you. It does look like it might just slide back to the west as we head into the late week time frame. It's not like we're going to all of a sudden dip down into the 80s or something like that, but it might help our temperatures go down just a little bit as we head into next weekend. And if that thing can keep moving off to the west, it may open the door for some rain chances and maybe some temperatures below 100 degrees next week. But not this week. 106 tomorrow, 107 on Tuesday. Both of those would tie record highs. If we hit that, then the record does go up a little bit the second half of the week. So I think those records are safe Wednesday through Friday. But still going to be just as hot almost as it's going to be early in the week. Light winds and warm tonight. 81 will be your low. And then tomorrow, very hot, dry, and breezy. An excessive heat warning and an ozone action day. 106 for the high. There's a little bit of relief for you. It's still going to be 100 plus this weekend, but next week might open the door just a little bit for those temperatures to dip back down below 100 degrees. I'm not promising any widespread soaking rain, but we might have a little cloud cover around and maybe some of those pop-up showers or storms to help cool us off just a little bit.